So this is not a video about the 135HOG1. What we're effectively showing you here is that the customer has asked, I want power steering, I want eye trim, how am I going to achieve that on my new Yellowfin? Simple, put a G2 on. So hence we've done a G2. So the 135HO is removed, sitting on a stand waiting for the next boat it's going to live on. And let's go over and show you what we've achieved with the G2. You've seen us whacking this motor on the back of the boat, so now comes the quick and simple part of just what is clean rigging. Well, clean rigging is one wire, two wires, fuel line, two hydraulic hoses and the battery lead. So all of that is going to fit in a piece of snake's tube this big. It's going to be rigged up onto the back of the boat, boom, over and done with. So we end up with fly-by-wire throttle, we've got our automatic trim, and we've got integrated power steering, all activated through and is going to fit through this one bit of snakeskin. Okay, so this is not the 6200 Yellowfin, this is the 650 Trident, but this will show you, the viewers, what this clean rigging looks like in its finished state. So as you can see, one tube, all those wires I was showing you, neatly fit in there, through the piping, up the gunnels, into the control box, all over Red Rover. How simple is that and how nice does that look? You can walk around the back of the boat without tripping over hydraulic steering cables, another big wiring loom. It's just amazing how it finishes up. So who could ever imagine that you could get up here and walk behind your motor? It's tilted up. Once that's tilted down, we've got it like a bloody swim platform here. That's only seen on stern drives, but here now we've achieved it on now forward. So the next step, Billy, is to get this baby commissioned, get a prop on it, work out what prop's working. That's going to be our next video. Let's play around with some props and show you what this Yellowfin does with the new G2 on the back. G'day, Les here, just finishing off another deal. Do you like our YouTube videos? Well, hit the subscribe button. You know that subscribe button there? You'll become part of the family of Caloundra Marine and get given the latest opportunity to watch our YouTube videos as they become available. So get behind us, we get behind you, hit subscribe.